What's up, comrades? We're back. I got sunglasses on because this is the window. So, I was thinking, what else can we do on this channel? Because all we seem to do is play Roblox every single freaking day. So, what is better than Roblox? Nothing. There's nothing better than Roblox. What is second best, though? Crafts. Best thing to ever grace this greenish yellowish earth. And do you know why they're the best thing? Because they allow anyone, anywhere, that has a hot glue gun to do anything they want. So, especially decoration and maybe clothes too. You can do that. But decoration. So, if you come look at my room, which I'm sure you've seen it in my other videos, all I have is like a poster and an American flag. The best flag in the goddamn world. And the reason that I only have this stuff is because I don't know what else to put there. So I'm thinking, we DIY room decorations today. And I think it's going to go very, very good. Last night, I sit down on my computer and I'm looking, what can I do that involves decorating this room? Because there's a lot of empty space. So, what is the best possible thing that one can do? So, I went to, of course, the best things on the internet, Google, which, of course. So, I looked up this. Well, I don't know what I looked up. DIY room decor, something like that. Okay, so it took me to this website called Shutterfly. I think I've heard of Shutterfly before. I think they do like pictures and stuff. I don't know, but it's not my exact element. Not something that I go on very often. So I'm scrolling through here, thinking, what can I do? Come to number 3, washi tape wall. I don't know what washi means, but let's just make a tape wall. So we got our tape. We got yellow. We got orange. We got blue, and we got blue again. So this is our wall here. Right behind the door. Yep. Very good. Very good. And very empty. So I'm thinking, we just make this a little bit better. We just take some of this tape, put it on the wall. It's good decoration according to this website. Okay, so I'm talking extremely fast. But I can't stop myself. Let's go. About long enough. Not gonna lie, this is not the best thing I've ever seen. So it could use a little work. Well, we'll keep going. We'll keep going. So I'm just gonna cut to when we're through. Boys, so we're through. Grand unveiling in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. It is. It's beautiful. I think that this is really something that we want to incorporate into room decoration like that. You can see it. Yeah. It's beautiful, isn't it? So we got our tape wall through. What else can we do? Let's just look back at this website. There is quite a bit on this website. There's like 100 ideas or something. I don't know. Freaking tape. Okay. Teacup candles, quirky lamp. I have a lamp. Okay. See this lamp? What do we do with this lamp? Paint it? Okay, I don't have paint. Colorful floor cushion. There was one good one. There was one really good one. Statement wall hanging. Umber scallop wall. Music sheets. So we hang our favorite music sheets. Okay. We'll just go in here. Where is it? Oh, here it is. B flat trumpet yellow book, essential elements for band. Yeah, this is beautiful. You see that Hard Rock Blues encore? Yeah, boys, this is straight up best thing I've ever seen. Okay, now let's move on. What else can we do? String art. Okay, no, that looks extremely hard. Mirrors, watercolors, paint. Why would you just ruin it? Where's the globe? Just ruin a globe to write that. Driftwood wall hanging. Okay, I'm gonna go get some wood. I'll be right. We back. We found some sticks. We got this this long one. That's what we're gonna call it. Long. This one is not very much bark. This one's very bark. This one is slingshot thing. Although you'd never make a slingshot out of this. So the only string that I have are these neon yellow shoelaces. So I'm thinking we do it with that. So I'll cut to when it's finished. So boys, as you can see, we picked this yellow tape to match the yellow aesthetic. Honestly, I'm thinking this looks a lot better than the one that was on the website. That one looks a little like rushed and I guess a little, you could say, cheap and just ugly in general. But this right here, this is art. I don't think I've ever seen anything better. So yeah, I'm definitely leaving that up for sure. So yeah, let's find another one. Yeah, we're back. What else can we make? I think there was one more really good one. Okay, photo lamp. Photo lamp. Okay, so we're gonna go. We're gonna go print out some photos. What does it say to do? Filled with people you love the most. Okay, full of people you love the most. Okay, I'll be back. We did it. Yeah, it's looking on fleek. We got the whole squad here. We got everyone that we love on this here. Well, not everyone, but we have the person that we love the most. And I really don't want anyone to say anything about this one because this one really it's close to home for me. It's very serious. Nothing, no jokes. So I'm turning off the lights so we can turn on this lamp. Oh, that's beautiful. Can we see him on the ceiling? No, we can't see him on the ceiling, but here it is. Here we got my boy. I forgot how to print in black and white for a minute there, but yeah, honestly, this looking on fleek with this light underneath, you can almost see his heavenly self. If it was actually Shrek, you'd be blinded by the light. So this is how you like sort of get used to it. Here, he's sort of distressed. It's very sad. It's close to home, so it's in black and white, very intentionally. Yeah, it's a very sad piece on this side as compared to a very joyous, and really makes me so happy to see him so happy. So yeah, that's our lamp that we're gonna be using from now on. Let's see if there are any other crafts that we want to attempt. Okay, state art, tissue paper vases, wooden headboard, triangles. I think there was one more, but maybe not. Okay, that's it. That's all for today. As you can see, we did some great crafts. We got our music sheet wall hanging. We got our driftwood wall hanging. We got our tape wall. It's beautiful. Most of all, we got our Shrek lamp. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button. Tell me what you didn't like in the comments, and I will totally listen for sure. Not just gonna completely ignore it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys sometime. Out.